Hi, this is CJ of Salon JOIERE, and this video is the wig and WeaveBuddy install. After the breakdown, I installed the Ashika WeaveBuddy. Those are the small pieces of plastic that you see attached to her braids. Using the WeaveBuddy, I am able to secure the perimeter of the wig to the edge of the WeaveBuddy without the use of her edges, thus protecting her baby hairs and the frontal hairline. Since the hair along the sides and back of the head tend to be thicker and stronger, I can secure the perimeter of the wig to her perimeter braid, keeping the wig flush to her scalp and her natural hairline. Even in the event that the client doesn't have hair around the full perimeter of their head, there is a WeaveBuddy option to accommodate a wig install. Thanks for watching. To book your next wig install, please visit salonjoiere.com.